methods available in JavaScript that can be used with the date object. JavaScript date get methods, JavaScript date set methods.
Okay, so we are having different kinds of option available. Like if you want to display, so in this example we have taken a new date. So what it's doing, this is a inbuilt function, means already एक function आपकी language में define है, आपको just उस function का name use करके उसको call करना है, जो भी इसकी functionality है that will be applicable to your program. Okay, so if we are using variable dt is equal to new date, तो न्यू डेट आपने देखो इस प्रोग्राम में कहीं नहीं बनाया, आपने जस्ट इस फंक्शन को यूज किया बिकॉज दिस इज अ इनबिल्ट फंक्शन, मींस ऑलरेडी आपकी लैंग्वेज में डिजाइन है. नाउ व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ दिस फंक्शन? टू डिस्प्ले द करंट डेट टाइम इन प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट. नाउ यू कैन सी हियर डे, डेट, टाइम, देन अकॉर्डिंग टू योर लोकेशन इट्स शोइंग यू GMT प्लस 5:30. ठीक है, तो जो भी आपका जियोग्राफिकल लोकेशन होगा उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको डेट एंड टाइम शो करेगा. सो दिस इज योर इनबिल्ट डेट एंड टाइम फंक्शन. नेक्स्ट जिया, यू कंटिन्यू बेटा फास्ट.
Ma'am, now may I?
Yes, ma'am. JavaScript date get methods. The JavaScript date get methods are used for getting information from the date object. Example, var date equal to new date 1991 4 21 10 10 20 50. Creating date object. Here is a list of methods. Use the date object along with their description. Method.
This thing you have to learn from your side. Like if you are using get day function, now what is the meaning of get day function? Means अगर आपको weekdays return करने हैं numbers में, then you are allowed to use this function. So you have to learn all the functions name, all the functionality description behind this function. So this is your homework. Okay, next JavaScript date set methods.
Ma'am, I have to start.
Yes, continue.
JavaScript date set methods. The JavaScript date set methods are used for setting a part of a date object. Here is a description of date set methods. Set date. The set date method set the day of a date object given a number between 1 to 31. I'm done.
Okay, so that is by default get date, but if you want to set, then you can use this method set date. So here you can just set accordingly. In similar way we are having set method. See, in this way we have set this date. Okay, आपने एक मंथ सेट कर दिया 10 मींस आपको नवंबर बाय डिफॉल्ट आपको आपकी डेट में मिल जाएगा. नेक्स्ट सेट फुल ईयर, दैट इज फॉर सेटिंग योर ईयर. तो अगर आप यहाँ पे 2019 लिखोगे तो आपके पास मतलब जो भी आप यहाँ पे सेट करोगे वो ईयर आपके आउटपुट में शो होगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट सेट आवर्स, मतलब मींस ऐसे आप आवर्स को, मिनट्स को, सेकंड्स को कुछ भी सेट कर सकते हो. रेस्ट एवरीथिंग इज सेम. क्लियर? देन सेट टाइम में आपके सब आ जाएंगे, आवर्स भी आ जाएंगे, मिनट्स भी आ जाएंगे, सेकंड्स भी आ जाएंगे और आपका जियोग्राफिकल जो है GST है या फिर EST है वो सब आपका सेट हो जाएगा. ओके, यस कुंजल कंटिन्यू. Jia, mute yourself. Okay, done already.
JavaScript timer function. The JavaScript code can be executed in time
Intervals.
These time intervals are called timing events. There are two native JavaScript methods used to execute JavaScript code at certain time intervals. There are two methods used in script are first, set timeout, second, set interval. Set timeout. The set timeout method executes a function once after waiting for a specified number of milliseconds after timeout. In other words, set timeout methods allows a function to run once after a time interval.
So this thing
Syntax.
you have to
Set
remember, what is the usage of using this set timeout method. It allows a function to run once after a time interval, means कुछ specific time के बाद वो method automatically क्या होगा, call होगा, process होगा. Yes. The first argument in a function.
The first argument is a function that is to executed and the second argument indicates the number of milliseconds. 100 milliseconds equals to 1 second to wait before executing the function. Example. In the following examples, when a user clicks on click me button, the hello fun function will be called that will display an alter box after 5 seconds. 500 milliseconds.
Okay,
5000.
so in this example we can see we have created a button on click event. We have used this method set time out, means after every 5 second ये function क्या होगा, automatically call होगा. ठीक है. So if you will click on run, if you will click me, 5 second के बाद आपके output आएगी. Okay, after 5 seconds you are able to see that alert box. Is it clear? Now next,
ma'am.
set interval.
Start. The set interval method executes a function again and again after waiting for a specified number of milliseconds. In other words, set interval method repeats a given function after every time interval. This method executes a function for unlimited number of
Unlimited
times.
number
Syntax.
of times.
Unlimited number of times. Syntax. Set interval in bracket function milliseconds. The first argument is a function that is to be executed and the second argument indicates the number of milliseconds. 1000 milliseconds equals to 1 second. To wait before executing the function. Example. In the following examples, when a user clicks on the click me button, the hello function will be called that will be displayed an alter box after 5 seconds, 5000 milliseconds. Example.
But it's not
Also,
displaying anything. So what is the basic difference between set interval and set timeout? Anyone who is able to find difference between both this method? This thing we will do tomorrow. Now today's homework, you have to find out the difference between set interval and set timeout method. Okay, and you have to learn about different inbuilt date and time functions. Okay, we cannot set second because they are fast, but sometimes it's required to call a function on every second. That time it's required to use your second function. Okay, so right now I'm going to end this class because time
Ma'am, I
is over.
understand.
Yes, chapter is too big. This chapter will be continued with the next chapter